Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about Singleton design pattern. What is Singleton design pattern? Singleton design pattern ensures that there should be only one instance per JVM. That means you should create only one object which is having a unique feature. That object should serve the purpose for all the classes inside JVM. Let me give you an example. You have email class, SMS class and IVR class. In each of these classes, you want logging mechanism. Suppose you don't have Singleton design pattern. Usually what you will do, you will create a logger object in email class, and you will create the same logger object in SMS class, and you will create the same logger object in IVR class. If you observe here, you are creating the same logger object in each of these classes, which the code is getting duplicated. You are creating the duplicate object in all the classes, which is not a recommended approach, which consumes a lot of memory. So what is the best approach? The best approach is to have a single class which is responsible to create a singleton object by implementing Singleton design pattern. If any of these classes request a singleton object, that class make a request to singleton object, and this class creates a singleton object and return back the response to the requested class. With this object, for example here the SMS class calls the respective methods of singleton class and used for logging. So this is the design of Singleton design pattern. So what are the advantages here? Number one, instead of creating logger object in each of these classes, you are maintaining a unique object which saves a lot of memory. Point number two, apart from these three classes, suppose if you create one more introduce one more class which requires a logging mechanism, that new class does not require to create one more logger object. It simply make a request to this singleton logger class, which is responsible for creating logger object, and it will create logger object and it will return back response to the requested class. So here we are decoupling the code. So a clear separation from the implementation classes to the serving class. This is about Singleton design pattern. Not only the logger object, what and all the feature which is a unique feature needs to implement, which serves that feature for all the classes, then that feature should be created as a singleton object. So this is about Singleton design pattern. In the next video, I am going to hands-on how to implement Singleton design pattern and what are the ways of implementing Singleton design pattern and so on. Thanks for watching.